Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week so far in the market. So first things first, let's see what is going on with my mining. So far I still have my two workers online. They haven't really dropped off, but the main thing I notice here is the estimated earnings. As you can see, the weekly is not really much now. It's just $71. Estimated earnings for the monthly is about $310, and daily about 1022. So probably $5 per rig, and these rigs, they cost about $2,200 for this one, so roughly about $2,300 a piece. At this rate, I still have my return on investment calculated to be about maybe 6 months, 7 months. So once I have this running for about 6 months or 7 months, I should have broken even. Maybe my calculations are a bit off, but I'm hoping that there's a bounce in the price of Ethereum, and my daily should bump up a little bit. It varies quite a bit, but for about the past couple of days, it's been kind of low. Okay, let's look at the statistics. You can see the hashing power just keeps going up on the network on this pool, and you see it just keeps going up with the passage of time. So more and more people are joining the network, and they're having more and more computing power to hash for Ethereum. All right, talking about our main plays for the week, we had Hofv, we had Ebon, and we had DLPN. So Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company, Ebon, and Dolphin Entertainment Inc. So like I told you guys at the beginning of the week, my prediction was that these are on an uptick, and right now it's trading at 410, and I think this would easily get to $20 within the next 2 months, very easily. So here is a good opportunity for someone to quadruple their investment. Over the weekend, I believe I'll be leaving this investment so that I can be in the crypto market. Crypto market goes on all weekend long, whereas with this stocks regulated by the SEC, you can only do it trade during business hours, Monday through Friday. So if you look at the 5-day, you can see how this has risen very nicely. And if you go to the daily, you see right here at about noon, it was at $4.36. So it went up quite a bit and dropped. And this seems to be the daily pattern. It gets up there at about midday, 10 o'clock, 11, and then for the rest of the day, it just drops slowly. Almost predictable. That's what it's been doing. You can see the peaks, 11 a.m. right there, 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m., 9:30 a.m. So that usually marks the peak, and then after that you can jump off and get back in the next day. This also a Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment has been known to run a lot after hours, so it's kind of difficult to time the investment. But if you believe in the underlying business, you do your due diligence, I think this is a very good play for the intermediate term. Next, we go to Ebon International Holdings, and the stock is trading right now at $4.10, down 7%. I believe I was in this stock yesterday. I left. I just have maybe one stock which I use to keep track of the price, but you can see that's a huge dip, and I would have been that would have been painful for me to digest. So right now it's trading at 410. It's down 7.5%. Is that a good entry point? Hard to tell. You can see what the graph looks like over the week. It rose, and then slowly now it's just dropping. So how low will it get? I don't know. But I left this stock yesterday, so I'm out. 1 month, that's what it looks like. It's still on a downward trend. So maybe it's time to either load up or stay out and watch and wait for it to start having that uptick, and then you can join the stock. All right, next let's move on to Dolphin Entertainment, another company that deals with non-fungible tokens. They're a major player there, and previously they had a major run, and that put them on the radar. You can see, let's go 6 months. You can see right there it was trading at 509, and then on March 19th it had that huge run that brought it up to about $19, $20, and then since then it declined some, and then now you have this uptick starting about April 16th, no, April 19th. So if you jump in this one right now, I think you are actually catching it just as it's the rocket is about to take off. So just for the day, it's up 11%. That's quite significant. 11%. So I still have a little bit of my cash in Dolphin Entertainment. It's very difficult to choose between Dolphin and Hall of Fame value, but I think for now Dolphin is good. I tried to get out of it yesterday, it wouldn't let me, so I think that was a premonitory, you know, it was just something that was just like, it had to happen. So I left my money in there and woke up this morning to a nice surprise. So yeah, I'll just let it ride, and I think I will basically jump out of it tomorrow. Hopefully we don't have a major crash. If it holds steady, then I'll jump out. I'll be out tomorrow. You can even see at about 11:40 a.m. it went all the way up to $14. That was quite significant, but sadly I was still in bed sleeping. All right, let's move on. Price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen a major drop from, I believe we were trading at $54,000 yesterday. Now it's down to $52,893. $52,893, representing a drop of 3.7%. Okay, Safemoon. Yeah, this one is just going crazy. Look at the number of followers they've amassed over a short period of time. You know, every day we try to look at that metric, and it tells us about, it informs us about the level of interest out in the market, if they're succeeding with their PR campaign, putting the word out there, and it seems to be working. 440,000 subscribers and growing. I think that the Safemoon is actually trading at a discount right now, and for how long are people gonna hold it? It's anyone's guess. You know, it's a toss-up, but I have a very small position there, and I'm not saying buy in, but this is not financial advice, just, you know, giving you guys full disclosure that yeah, I'm invested in Safemoon. Not a big position, very tiny position. It allows me to have an eye on what's happening, you know, in the DeFi space. And you can see the price of Safemoon here. It's down a little bit, 3.37%. It fluctuates quite a bit, but like you will be told, it's very dangerous to sell, or risky to sell, I should say, because each time you sell, then you lose 10%. Of the 10%, 5% gets redistributed to those who are still in the pool. The other 5% gets burned. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. It's been trading horizontal for about a week now, a week and a few days. So that's where it's sitting right now, down 2.94%, and it fluctuates quite a bit intraday. All right, Ethereum just seems to be continuing with its upswing. It's now trading at $2,732. That is really beautiful. Let's see here. It actually dropped some. It went almost to $2,800 right there. 2,790. I almost touched $2,800. So congrats to those who are mining Ethereum. Congrats to those who are holding Ethereum. It has really made a good, beautiful run this 2021. And here on CoinDesk, you can see the prices of some of the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin 52,000, down 3.65%. Ethereum 2,738, up 0.63%. XRP is up 1.56%. Stellar is down 1.07%, and Cardano is down 0.40%. Okay, let's take a quick look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin had a nice little spike, and then it dropped down, but now you can see it's trading in the 30-cent range. It doesn't seem to be budging much from there. So is this still a good entry point? I think so. There's a lot of growth that Dogecoin can have, the potential. You can see the news articles. Mark Cuban touts Dogecoin on Ellen, says Doge is better than a lottery ticket, and he's right. If you have $5, you're about to buy a lottery ticket, you're better off spending that money buying some Dogecoin. So yeah, that's what's going on there. You can see the miners revenue up 4,500% this year. That's just insane. The amount of growth that Dogecoin has seen this year. So you can see here how Dogecoin spiked late in the evening yesterday. It went up to 32 cents and then dropped, and then went back up at about 11 p.m. to 32.3924, and then it dropped for the rest of the night. And at about 10 o'clock this morning, it went back up, and then now it's just dropping. But the thing with Doge is you have to be careful if you want to day trade Doge. When it starts running, it runs hard and it runs quick. So you might get out and find out it's very difficult to get back in, at a reasonable price. So that's where Doge is trading right now, at 30 cents. And we'll see what the weekend holds. Typically on Friday, people jump out of the market and get into the crypto space because they can keep trading, over the weekend. Well, guys, that's what I had for you this afternoon. This afternoon, yes, it's already 12:51, Thursday, April 29th. And yeah, we'll just see how the market plays out. One more day of trading tomorrow, and we have the rest of today's session. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.